Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 7 of the journey and we are still at $0, but I am now epoxying the tables, my previous projects. I'm sorry there was a big delay in the videos because I had a kind of an unexpected event happen in my life where I was gone away from home for a week. Yeah, so sorry about that, but we're getting right back to the videos and we're gonna make this happen. $1,000 in 30 days, day 7. Today we are going to paint this and put another coat of paint on the other things already, the other 2 sets of side table legs in there. We are also going to start getting this slab ready and designing some legs for it. It's a pretty punky slab, but I'm gonna try to carve it out and just penetrate it with a whole bunch of epoxy to strengthen it. So that should be good, but that's the plan for today, and put on another coat of epoxy on the other 2 projects. Here we go. epoxy done. We got the painting done. It did go a little bit. I didn't get done in the shop as much as I wanted on building projects, just because I don't know. I'm a little bit worried about the slab. As you can see, I might have to cut it shorter, but there are a lot of places where it is pretty bad. But what I'm thinking is maybe just hold off on this for a little while. And then once I get some money coming in, buy some deep cast epoxy, so that maybe we can make a river table or something out of this. Because I think with these big gaps in places, with another color, it would look pretty nice. But in the meantime, because that one won't really work for now, I'm gonna be turning this into bench. I think I'm gonna take off the one side here and then just make some legs for it and turn that guy into a bench. But yeah, here we go. Day 7, tomorrow's day 8. See you then.